Hi guys, in this video we're gonna show you about how to use C programming.
A C programming which consists a looping statement which will calculate a total series of your impatient workers.
Yeah, don't forget to what is out.
La 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 君は可愛い僕の黒猫赤いリボンがよく似合うよだけど時々爪を出して僕の心を悩ませる黒猫の単語僕の恋人は
Dah,
Makan gula.
bos gimmick.
Gaji saya bila bos.
Dah, ada tak buat kerja? Kau ada tak buat kerja? Buat apa kerja? Kau ada apa kerja?
Duduk. Ada bos, duduk.
Ada.
Angkat tonggis bos.
Macam mana kau nak gaji? Kerja tak ada. Kau tengok tu. Pada itu. Itu apa itu? Dah aku arahkan kau untuk general worker buat. Apa tu buat? Kau nak gaji besar. 3 bulan tak bayar bos. 3 bulan tak bayar bos. Your performance not that good. I'm not happy about it, you know. I will call your mother. Miss Emilia. Your son very rude. Yes. He's very rude. Yeah, I know. Yeah. I told him before. Yes. Aduh, kok tak? Stop. Aduh.
Nang aku jaket tanya.
Oh, nah, jangan kita tanya. Oi, duduk. Ada?
Kenapa?
Saya nak kamu kira gaji dia. Yang kurang ajar punya staff lah. Kau tahu dia siapa? Salah. Kurang gaji dia.
Kenapa?
Diskaun dia punya gaji. Masa?
Coba.
Oh, made error. Okay, cuba pakai programming yang baru dicipta berapa bulan hari tu.
Alright, this is Adam Johnny from the future, and what you're watching now is I'm trying to do the C programming for calculating the salary for the employer. And in this programming, the question asks for tax reduction, the total salary, the name of the employee, and the ID. So here, as you can see, I'm starting to write the data type and variable for this programming, which is I'm using float for this text C, text B, the total salary A, total salary B, and for the hour also I'm using float because this data or maybe or also include in decimal point, so I use float. And integer for the ID, because definitely ID will be in a whole number. And character for the name, and I use string for the name, so it can be spaced out, just even be a username like that. Okay, now I'm starting to write the data, input data, which is printf, scanf for the name, ID, and working hours. And if you notice, I'm not using any salary input there. I'm not asking for any salary because will calculate the salary from the total hour, working hour. So there we go. Now we are doing the expression and the operation for the whole process, which is firstly I'm calculating the salary, so we can get the total salary for the employee per month. And now I'm trying to calculate the tax, the operation for the tax, which is the salary times by how many percent tax and divide by 100. So here I'm using 3 different tax, which is the first tax is tax that we include only to the employee who got paid 2,000 and above, and for another one, the other 2 tax is for employee who got less than 2,000 and below. So for the employee got 2,000 and more, he got to pay 3 types of taxes, which is tax C, and tax B, which include 10% of tax for 10% of the salary. And for the employee who got salary less than 2,000, they got no tax. The first tax, you mean 5% tax fixed for the who got 2,000 more, as been asked in the question. And now I'm writing the total salary that has been deduct by the tax. Now I also, if you see that, I'm writing 2 different total salary, which is total salary A, total salary B. This is because we got 2 situations, right? So I'm better just separate them, so I can do the input process to this display process much easier. Okay, now let's move on. I'm in this program, I'm using if else statement. Why I'm using if else statement? Because if I'm using switch statement, I need to write the case for the situation, which is case A. What is for case A? Case B is 1,000 more than 2,000. So for me, it just it's just writing too much input. So I use if else, so the program, the instruction just will proceed to calculate. So we don't have to make any different input of the cases, I guess, like that. The other one, I don't want to use switches because here you can see if else can do the number in the expression. So if I'm using switch, either this expression, I have got a problem in switch statement when I'm using switch statement. I'm trying switch statement before. I'm trying to input the expression, but however it failed because the integer is invalid, like that. So I got the error. So I'm using if else, so it solves my problem, and which is just straightforward. The program just calculated directly. So that's all for me. Thank you.
Ni apa tak siap ni?
Tak lengkap lah bos.
Hai, bos.
Apa je.
Bos, aku dah ada. Cepat sikit bos. Potong 50% bos. Kan susah dah pakai stocking dah tinggal bos.
Okey, aku nak